Truck went into limp mode for some reason. Didn't have any power when you try to press the gas. Welcome back to another video. Currently, we are in line to get into Yellowstone. So, bumper to bumper to get through the gate. I assume there's a gate down there. We have our pass ready, so we should get there pretty easy. I don't know, first time going through here, so we'll see. When we came up, we went through West Yellowstone and through Idaho, but yep. Today we're going to drive through, look at the sights, and then make our way to the Tetons. So we'll see you guys at camp probably, maybe, or if we make a stop, I don't know. We'll see. We're just going to keep rolling. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Unstable ground, boiling water. We are out here at the Gysers. Yeah, we gotta stay on the path.
Look at this.
Absolutely insane.
Look at this. Let's take a picture of that smoke. Okay? Whoa, that's crazy.
Hasta que pretty windy.
Yeah, that's absolutely insane.
That's
If you know why they're so blue, let me know in the comments. Come here. Come on.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it is. Look at that. Absolutely insane. Look at that. That's crazy. Yeah. Why is it so blue? Tell me, why is it so blue? I'm sure there's a sign that says why, but I haven't seen one yet, or even looked for one. But this is awesome. Yellowstone's great. First time here. We were driving by, we're like, let's just pull over. And it's hot. Pretty windy out here, but absolutely insane. That is crazy. Bubba, look at that. Not in that. Yeah, you'll turn into... Look at that. That's insane. All right, let's go this way, Bubba. Jet geyser. Absolutely beautiful out here. For a wasteland kind of looking thing, it's still really pretty. Yeah. This is where your lava T-Rex is. So we were on our way to the Tetons, coming out of Yellowstone, and then the truck went into limp mode for some reason. Didn't have any power when you try to press the gas. So check the battery terminals here. Some of the cables that are on there were loose. I don't know if you can see that fuse has a little bit of plastic that's melted. Fuse is still intact. This cover was also melted, so it was getting really hot. So hopefully we can get it going again and get it on our way. But yeah, this is the realities of road trips, I guess. So Dad's tightening it down. we'll try to crank it up here in a second and see if it works and see if we can get back on the road. All right, we got it working. I think the problem was I installed a few months ago one of those Bluetti Charger 2s, an alternator charger, and I think it was just giving it too much current and overheating that positive terminal. So we unplugged it. That's unfortunate that we can't really use it now, but we'll try to see what's wrong with it when we get to a better position to do it. But for now, everything seems to be working good, and we're going to get back on the road. All right, we found some dispersed camping right outside the Teton National Forest off of a Forest Service road. I found this on Onyx, just on the other side of that mountain there. Shadow Mountain, I think, is over that way. Anyway, we'll check Shadow Mountain. Really good views of the Tetons, but they were all taken up. But we found this spot up here. It's really nice, really beautiful in the trees, in the heart of grizzly bear country, as every sign on the way up here said. It's very smoky on the Tetons, so we weren't really missing much anyway. So tomorrow morning, after we get up, we'll head into Jackson Hole, do all that. Oh, and we passed Moore Monroe, so we'll have to get the picture that everybody gets on Moore Monroe. So I got the truck pretty much leveled. Dad's got a nice spot over there that he found for his ground tent. Then we're going to start getting camp set up. So awesome spot. We only saw one other person on the way up here, so pretty cool and really close. Like I said, on the other side of that mountain there, you could see the actual Tetons. So pretty close to everything that you would want. Alright, so we got camp set up. Now we're just going to take the road up a little bit farther and see what's up here. We got looks like some horse tracks on the trail. Not really sure. Kind of looks like it.
Not really sure.
You're not really sure either? What you got, Bubba? Cars. Just keep an eye out. I feel like since I had this mic on this high elevation, you could just hear me huffing and puffing. I hope not. Don't say that unless you actually see it, Goober. Alright, this is a nice little hike, huh, Dad?
Yes. Awesome, man.
It's
Can you get any better than this?
Yeah, especially for free.
Exactly,
Yep.
especially.
Nice.
Your spot, you just camp.
Yep. So we made it back to camp here. We're gonna see what we can cook or what we have left because we didn't really check. And we also have some freeze-dried meals too that we could eat if we're feeling kind of lazy and not wanting to cook, which I'm kind of leaning towards that. So yeah, we're just gonna hang out here, watch the sun go behind that mountain over there, and just relax. All Alright, so we decided that we're just gonna make it nice and easy tonight. So I'm going to have a peak meal, the backcountry bison bowl. Never had it. Curious to see how that is. Little man's gonna have a Mountain House beef lasagna. And then
I'm not little man.
You're not little man? Okay. And then Dad's gonna try the Mamu's Camp
Mamu's
Kitchen
Camp.
cheesy chicken spaghetti, which we had earlier this trip, and it was delicious. Yeah, these are all coming from my camp kitchen set. I actually made a video of myself going through everything that I keep, and I keep these meals in there for times like this. Make it nice and easy. So I'm gonna get all the water put into all these pouches, and then we'll be eating here in a minute. So it's been a wonderful evening so far. It was 80. Now it's starting to cool off a little bit. The solar panel on top of the truck has been keeping my anchor all topped off, and then my dad pulled out his solar panel to get his Jackery charged up. So we're getting boiled here, so I'm gonna dump it in that one, I believe. Ow, this handle is really hot. Just turn that off right now. Give that a mix, and then we'll close. So all our stuff, I think, is pretty much done cooking or reabsorbing the water.
Is it cool off?
Go ahead, Dad. Give yourself get a taste test.
So I'm gonna get a taste of this. See if I can burn this. Boy, these look so good.
Let me
Careful,
just taste
it'll
it.
be hot. You'll get a taste test here in 1 second.
That's what Daddy does.
What do you think?
That's,
Not for me.
That's good.
that
Yep.
is good. It's
All
great.
right, Bubba, hold on. All right, Talon, are you ready for your taste test?
Mhm.
So Talon's gonna have the Mountain House beef lasagna. Yes. Okay.
Pepperoni.
Ooh, it's hot.
It's not hot.
It's a little hot.
Let's let it cool off. Blow on it.
Okay.
There you go. The drink will help it.
Yeah, if it gets hot, you get a drink.
It is.
All right. Here we go.
Good.
All right, here we go. Ready?
Is it hot?
Nah. What do you think?
Daddy, try.
I'm gonna try mine. How's yours?
Good.
It's good. You like it?
Let's
Should we let it cool off for a little bit?
No.
No. Okay.
Oh, let's just leave it there.
Okay. All right. Now.
Now you get a taste of
Okay.
this, Daddy.
All right. Daddy's turn. Let's see.
Let's see if it's hot. I'll blow it.
Mine is hot.
I'll blow it.
You're gonna blow it.
I'll blow it for ya. Let's finish our lasagna. Okay?
Okay.
All right. The ground bison bowl, or bison bowl.
The bison bowl.
Yeah. All right. And Daddy's gonna try. Ready?
Yes.
Is it gonna be hot?
No. No thanks.
Mm.
And now it's my turn. My turn.
No. That's pretty good. I think everybody's happy. So we're gonna eat those. I'm gonna
Blow on it, okay?
kick back a cold one, and when I say cold one, an Alpine
I need your help.
probiotic soda that my mom packed. So
Yes.
okay. So
We'll finish our
cheers,
lasagna.
fellas. We'll see you after dinner.
Hot.
That was enough. Yeah. There was a lot of water in there at first, but
I
it.
gotta blow that, mister.
I'll tell you, mine's hot.
I have to
Mine was the last one made.
I gotta blow that candle.
Mm-mm.
Not yet.
We need that candle.
This is mine. This is mine, Daddy. Wow, look at this stitch. I almost
Got the shower all tent up. Shower all tent up. Got the shower tent up. Got a water heater. We're gonna take showers here in a little bit, and then just start getting ready for bed. What do you think?
Good.
Look at you. You're all dirty. You got lasagna all over your face. Okay.
What?
We got the Bouge RV. I don't know how well you could see that, but
I don't need to go poo-poo.
our Turo, my father, is in there taking a shower. I'm trying to get this guy to go to the bathroom first before he goes to bed and takes a shower. So I think that's going to be it for tonight, guys. We'll see you guys in the morning with coffee. Good morning. We're all packed up here. We got some laundry to do, so we're going to head to Jackson, Wyoming, and explore while the clothes are getting washed. So I appreciate you guys watching. That'll be the end of today's video, and we'll be trying to find a new spot tonight. So stay tuned for that episode, and we thank you for watching. You guys have a good one.